Using a Make AI agent, you can set up this inventory and order management agent, which manages your inventory and processes orders through simple Slack commands. Let me show you how it works. So here we have our agent set up in a Make scenario. It's going to be triggered whenever we send a Slack message to a specific channel. It has access to different tools to manage our inventory, and then it's going to send us a reply. So in my inventory management Slack channel, I can just send through a simple message or a question in plain English saying, hello, what's my current stock for SKU 1001? And now the agent has received the message. It's starting to process the request. And we can see the agent has used its search inventory tool, which is looking up the inventory in our Google Sheet. And now we can see our agent, our Slack bot, has come up with a reply saying the ergonomic chair, we've currently got 45 units. And we can see that exactly matches what we have here in our inventory management Google Sheet. Now we're using a Google Sheet here just for demo purposes to give you an understanding of the setup, but you can hook this up to whatever inventory management tool you're using. The real power of an AI agent is that it can use different tools depending on the task. So back in Slack, I can do a follow-up request. I can just say, hey, we've just received a new delivery. Can you update the stock by 10 units? And just like that, we get confirmation the agent has added 10 units to the ergonomic chair stock. And we can see this time, instead of using its search inventory tool, it's used its update stock tool. Our agent also has the ability to place orders. So here I'm going to ask it, can you create an order for this item for 19 extra units? And we get confirmation that that order has been placed, with that order being successfully logged here in our orders table. To set up this inventory management agent for yourself, you can use this ready to go template. You can simply just import this into your Make account. Once that's imported, all you'll need to do is go ahead and configure the different connections to the different tools. For example, just set up your Slack connection. Now, in order to connect your Slack account, you will need to set up a Slack app, but you can simply check out the Make documentation and follow the steps provided. You'll also just need to go ahead and connect your Google account, and you'll see here that all the settings are already filled out for you. Plus, in the Make agent settings, simply connect whatever large language model you want your agent to run on. And you can take a look at the agent's instructions to get a sense about how to properly prompt these AI agents. So with a Make AI agent, you can turn Slack into your inventory assistant. Check stock, place orders, update quantities, all through a simple message.